These 3 tests will make sure that you know how to output text, get user input, and utilize variables in your program. It is good to know how to use the standard library strings here, but you can also use character arrays if you really want to. For test 1, write a program that displays a short story a couple of paragraphs long. There should be new lines in this program, but you can choose the best way to do this. For test 2, write a program that asks the user for their name, age, and how much money they have. The variable types should be string or character array, int, and float. Once they're entered, output the data back to the user. For test 3, take the story from test 1 and remove some of the nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Ask the user to enter a series of corresponding nouns, verbs, and adjectives, and then after they're done entering their answers, print out the story, but insert the nouns, verbs, and adjectives back into the story to make something crazy. So obviously here, we're starting out super simple. If you have any trouble at all utilizing variables, or knowing how to output those variables, then this is probably a sign that you're not up for writing games with C++ yet. If you're needing help at this point, some resources you can use to learn more about C++ are Anti-RTFM's YouTube channel, the New Boston's YouTube channel, tutorials on C++.com, tutorials on learncpp.com, and I would also greatly suggest picking up a textbook on C++, since usually I find textbooks to be very well organized, explain everything you'll need to know, and have plenty of homework problems to practice with. And remember, on my website you can find the written version of this guide, as well as our helpful forum and IRC community, so head on over to Moosader.com.